Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. I got full spoilers for the EYESCREAM Beauty bag and box for the month of April 2023. I honestly, girl, cannot wait to share them with you. They are so good. So really quick, if you're not familiar with the EYESCREAM Beauty bag, it's $12.50 a month plus shipping. You get 3 to 5 full-size items, and the beauty box is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box, and if you use code Michelle10, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription. I'm going to have everything listed down in the description box for you as always. So if you like these spoilers, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe before you go. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because I am random over here, girl. I upload twice a week, but it is on different days. I don't have a set schedule. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get started with some spoilers, and we're going to start with the EYESCREAM Beauty bag. And if you know, you know, girl, I always start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And we're going to be getting a Delanche Dolphin palette in this month's bag. It's so cute. It's a 9-pan palette. You're going to get some beautiful greens. I love the teals in here. Browns, some blue greens. Like, this is just a beautiful summertime palette. Okay, so spoiler number 2 for the bag is going to be a product from KNC Beauty, and this is going to be a lip gloss and liner set. This is a new launch, and everybody will be receiving one of these shades, which is really so cool that it's a new launch. How fun is that to get a new launch in the bag? I love that. Okay, so for our third and final spoiler for the EYESCREAM Beauty bag is going to be a product from Pure Cosmetics. And this is the Midnight Kiss Highlighter. And this is only available in the EYESCREAM Beauty bag right now. It isn't available anywhere else right now, so that's cool. You got a couple like little exclusive products going on here, so that's cool. I love that for the bag. Okay, girl, so that was everything for the bag. So you're getting 3 items in the bag, which is really nice that you're getting a palette, you're getting a lipstick and a lip liner, and you're getting a highlighter. Okay, girl, so let's go ahead and get into the EYESCREAM Beauty box. And of course, I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is the palette. This is going to be a product from Saucebox Cosmetics. I've personally never heard of this brand before, but I'm so excited to try it. So we're going to be receiving one of these 3 eyeshadow palettes, and they are an 8-pan palette. So first up, the first palette is called The Lovers, and you have some pinks, yellows, greens, brown tones in here. Great for springtime. I love that. The second palette is called The Moon, and you get some blacks, blues, silvers, whites, bronzy shimmers. I love it. And the third palette is going to be The Magician, and this has some beautiful oranges in here. This is my favorite palette. Some browns, creams, a white cream shimmer. I love this palette. This is my favorite out the 3 that we could be receiving, but we're going to be receiving one of the 3. So for spoiler number 2, this is a product from KNC Beauty. This is their Candy Crumbs. Yes, these are the loose pigments that we've received in February's box that everybody loved, and I'm so excited that we're getting more of these. So they're launching 5 new shades exclusively in the EYESCREAM box. Now we're receiving 2 of the 5 new shades. And then later on in mid-May, they will become available for purchase on KNC Beauty's website. But I'm so excited. I love the red. The red is like so cute. I'm so excited for these. I loved the loose pigments. They are gorgeous, and I usually don't like loose pigments. So I'm so happy we're getting these ones though. Okay, so for spoiler number 3 is going to be a product from Earth Harbor, and this is a skincare product. It's going to be the Glow Juice Mask. I'm usually not a big fan of getting skincare in the beauty boxes, but I absolutely love Earth Harbor. They are amazing products. I've never had an issue with any of them breaking me out, and I do have sensitive skin. So I am here to try a mask. I definitely need it with the weather changing and everything. So I'm glad that we're getting this mask. Okay, spoiler number 4 is going to be a product from KNC Beauty, and this is going to be a highlighter palette. This is a 6-pan highlighter palette, and it is gorgeous, and I love the purple marble shade. That one is so pretty. It's like catching my eye. I cannot wait to try this. And you know me, girl. I always love highlighters. Okay, girl. So for the 5th and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from Edgery's Beauty Diaries. And this is a contour palette. Now, this is a 6-pan palette. And I love receiving these because it has so many different shades in here that you can mix and match and make the shade that is perfect for you. It's not just a one size fits all. So I absolutely love when subscription boxes give you bronzer palettes or blush palettes or highlighter palettes that have different options in there, because you know, it's not like one color is going to work for everybody. So I absolutely appreciate that about Ice Cream. They're fantastic about giving us palettes. We're getting a highlighter palette, a contour palette, we're getting an eyeshadow palette. That is amazing in the box. Awesome box. And I absolutely cannot wait to get my box and try it out with you guys. So of course, my favorite thing I'm gonna have to say is gonna be the Chantico Beauty Loose Pigments, which is different for me. Usually I pick the eyeshadow palette, which the eyeshadow palettes are gorgeous, but I just love them loose pigments because they are a duochrome, multi-chrome loose pigment, and I love it. They shift so beautifully and they just go on the eye so pigmented. They really are nice loose pigments, and I really do enjoy using them. But as always, girl, let me know what you're most excited for. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.